Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a veggie loaded, protein and fiber rich veg fried rice recipe for dinner. This meal will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and so much better than restaurant food. Super healthy and tasty meal for the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my kadai, I'm adding in 1 to 2 tablespoon wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil or til oil or nallenna in Malayalam. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic cloves. Give it a stir. Allowing the garlic to turn light golden brown in color will help the oil to be infused with the amazing flavor of garlic. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 2 tablespoons white part of spring onion. Give it a stir. Add in 1 cup green mung sprouts. Give it a good stir. Half cup green peas. Half cup beans chopped, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped, half cup broccoli chopped into small florets, half cup baby corn chopped into small pieces. Now give this all a good mix. Stir fry all the vegetables on high flame. Note that I am stir frying the vegetables and I used very minimal oil in this recipe. Once the vegetables are 3/4 cooked, I am adding in half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed, 1 green chilli finely chopped, and give this all a good mix. Instead of soy sauce, I am using coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. I am adding in 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Note that coconut aminos is not that strong as soy sauce. So use 1 to 2 tablespoons or as needed. Give it a good stir. Next I'm adding in 3 cups of cooked rice. Here I'm using Ilipaipu Chemba rice, which is a traditional variety of indigenous rice, which is a good source of B vitamins, hence ideal to include in PCOS, thyroid or even in diabetic diet. So another important thing to be noted is that what I've done is I cooked the rice, cooled it down completely and then refrigerated it for 1 day. So when you refrigerate the cooked rice for 1 day, it becomes a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps to maintain good gut health, thereby it helps in overall health. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. So into this I'm adding in 3 cups of cooked rice which has been stored in the refrigerator for 1 day, and thus it becomes a good source of resistant starch. Now instead of the rice variety I'm using, you can use basmati rice instead. Any rice which you cook, cool it down completely and store in the refrigerator will become a good source of resistant starch. And now give this all a good mix. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And if you feel you need more spiciness, you can add in black pepper powder. Now since the rice is a bit cold, since it is been kept in the refrigerator, you need to make sure that the rice is warmed up. So you need to heat up the rice. So just mix it thoroughly and in about 2 to 3 minutes, the rice will be ready to serve. I'm adding in 1/4 cup of red capsicum. You can use green capsicum if you don't have red capsicum. I'm using red capsicum for an added color and flavor. Mix it really well. You can make this fried rice as a healthier alternative to restaurant fried rice. Note that this fried rice is loaded with vegetables and hence it is so much better and tastier than restaurant fried rice. Also note that I used coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. Coconut aminos is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. This meal is so loaded with vegetables, it is ideal to serve to kids. You can even make this as a school lunchbox meal. Once everything is nicely mixed and the rice has heated up, I'm adding in some sliced spring onions for an added flavor, crunch and color. Give it a good mix. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. Add in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Mix well and my super healthy veggie loaded fried rice is ready to serve. Just before serving, I'm sprinkling in some finely chopped spring onions, green part of the spring onions. So guys, do try this healthy veggie loaded fried rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.